So we are going to go over all the material that we covered with Miss Poppy. So this will give you one spot where you can go to find everything that we've covered. So this first exercise is relax on a mat. And what we're looking for from Miss Poppy is to go into a relaxed body posture, rest her little chin down. This is a command-free exercise. The way that she knows she's doing the right thing is by getting treats. And this is a counter-conditioning and desensitization exercise so that we can learn to relax Miss Poppy down regardless of whatever's going on. So with puppies, this can be a great exercise at about 7 in the evening when they start to get all wild. And then later on in life, I've had folks use this for plane rides, for dog-friendly hotels. Initially we started using this for fearful dogs and aggressive dogs, then just started realizing every dog should be able to basically have emotional intelligence in their toolbox. So that's what this is utilized for. Anything that comes down the pike that gets Poppy wound up, too anxious, too excited in the future, this is an excellent exercise to go to. So next what we're going to do is toss a little treat off the mat, get Poppy off, then go over our name games. So what we're going to do on this first one is take a treat, drag it up towards our face, and have Poppy make eye contact. Poppy. Perfect. Next I'm going to take a treat, drag it out to the side. Poppy. She's got to come back and make eye contact. Another way that you can utilize that is anytime that she's looking around and becoming disinterested, checking anything else out, then we can say her name, get her to focus in. Poppy. Good, right there. Poppy. Good. What we're going to do last is take a treat, toss it on the ground. Poppy. Have her make a 180-degree turn. Poppy. Towards us. Perfect. Next we've worked on her recall. Poppy, come. Good girl. So she's been able to do this under distraction with puppies outside. Poppy, which is really great news. But just a quick demo of what that can look like. Just to say Poppy come is the command, then get her to come over, she can get her treat. Poppy, sit. Good girl. Poppy, down. Perfect. So the clickable moments when her butt hits the floor and when her elbows hit the floor. Poppy, down. Stay. Free. Poppy, down. Good girl. Stay. Free. Very good job. Perfect. So free is her release cue. Lets her know she's done the right thing. She's done with her stay. And the two criteria you can continue to tweak are distance and duration on her stay. What we're going to go over next is her leave it exercise. Leave it. Good. The instance that we click on that is when she pulls back. She's pretty overt on this one. Leave it. Good. Leave it. Good girl. Perfect. So we worked with treats as well as some physical objects, so just so you can see what this looks like. Leave it. So when we've got our stick here, she can either have already got it in her mouth, so and then we tell her to leave it, or she's starting to go after it and we tell her to leave it. Basically I'll use a drop it and a leave it interchangeably, where I always a leave it just means both. She's going after something or she's got something that she needs to not go after, and I'll just tell her to leave it. So we've done enough repetitions that she's not as excited to go after this. She knows she's not supposed to. All right, sweetie. All right, so that's okay. But that's what that should look like. At least that repetition we were able to get off with our little cutie there. Next is our space exercise, which is basically our anti-jumping exercise. Poppy, space. So actually that's too close. So I'm going to give her another opportunity. Poppy, space. Good. That's perfect. Poppy, space. Good. One from the side, and then we'll try one from behind. Poppy, space. Good. Try another one from the front. She's coming forward. Space. Good. So what we're looking for on this one is about a 2-foot bubble around us where Poppy isn't coming inside of our circle. And if you've got someone that's coming towards you, if you're coming in the door and Poppy's coming towards you, then you want to be able to tell her space, and she'll stop shy and give you that space so that she's not jumping up on you. And you can also use this for yourself as well as guests. So very good. Next we're going to go over our door behavior. So we've set up a spot on the floor for Miss Poppy here, and this is just to mark this area. Let's toss a treat. Poppy, mat. We'll give her a click when she hits the mat. Poppy, down. Stay. Come over to our door. Open our door. Welcome our guests. Free. Good. Let her know she's done. Very good. So this is our exercise that we want to utilize when we have guests coming over, or if we've got a FedEx guy coming to the door, anyone that's coming to the door. Poppy, mat. Good girl. Down. Poppy, down. Just getting a little distracted with all the good smells. Poppy, stay. Come over here. Welcome in our guest. Poppy, free. Good girl. Excellent. So this is what our door behavior should look like. So you can, at your house, it'll look a little bit different. You'll, I'm sure, just have a different mat. And as soon as she hits the mat, then you will just click her that moment, let her know that that's the spot that she's going to. And then it's just a down, stay, and then a release cue once she has completed her mission. As she continues to get better and better and better, then usually what happens is the intermediary steps start to go away, and you just tell her mat. She comes on over to the mat, lies down, and even stays on her own accord. But right now we're breaking it down step by step by step, which is fine and dandy. So she's doing excellent. We'll stop here and get her leashed up and show you her loose leash walking.